Oh, knocks him over. This is Jasprit Bumrah.
It's a fourth slip to the cordon. Oh, he's bowled him. What a ripper that is from Anderson. Outswingers in the first over. This one a big booming in-swinger.
It's come back a lot. Well, I agree with you, Graham. I just thought the umpires should have changed the ball there. If they feel that there's something there and the ball's been tampered with,
oh, straight away! He's crashed into the stumps. England have lost their first wicket with the first ball of the innings.
Look at that Haddle. Oh, that's a beauty. Mitchell Stark right through him. Well, not much James Vince could have done about that. He might have just tried to hit it a fraction square, but that's an absolute peach.
First ball, Bale is off.